Today we're diving into the realm of customer support platforms with a head-to-head comparison of Gorgias and Zendesk. Gorgias is a robust customer service tool designed to streamline communication for e-commerce businesses, while Zendesk offers a comprehensive solution for managing customer interactions across various channels. In our discussion today, we'll delve into 5 key aspects: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and possible alternative options.
Let's take a quick look at these programs' main features. Gorgias features include seamless integration. Gorgias seamlessly integrates with popular e-commerce platforms, enabling agents to access customer data and order information effortlessly. Automation capabilities. Gorgias offers powerful automation features such as smart macros and response templates to streamline support workflows and enhance productivity. Omnichannel support. Gorgias provides omnichannel support, allowing businesses to manage customer inquiries across multiple channels, including email, chat, and social media. Customization options. Gorgias offers extensive customization options, allowing businesses to tailor the platform to their unique needs and branding. Zendesk features include ticket management. Zendesk's ticket management system centralizes customer inquiries, making it easy for agents to prioritize and resolve issues efficiently. Live chat. Zendesk offers live chat functionality, enabling real-time communication between agents and customers for quick resolution of inquiries. Knowledge base. Zendesk's knowledge base empowers customers to find answers to common questions independently, reducing support ticket volume and improving efficiency. Analytics and reporting. Zendesk provides robust analytics and reporting tools, allowing businesses to gain insights into customer interactions and support performance.
Gorgias operates on a tiered pricing model, starting at $60 per month for essential features and scaling up based on usages and additional functionalities. In contrast, Zendesk offers a range of plans, with prices starting at around $49 per agent per month for its basic package, with add-ons available for advanced features such as analytics and automation. Gorgias boasts an intuitive interface designed to streamline support workflows and reduce response times, although it may have a steeper learning curve compared to Zendesk's more user-friendly setup. Zendesk prioritizes user experience, ensuring a seamless, intuitive platform for both agents and customers. Gorgias excels in automation and integration capabilities, making it ideal for e-commerce businesses seeking efficiency, but its pricing can be prohibitive for smaller enterprises. Zendesk offers a robust set of features at a more affordable price point, but it may lack the advanced automation options of Gorgias.
While Gorgias and Zendesk are industry leaders in customer support platforms, alternatives like Freshdesk and Help Scout provide viable options for businesses with specific needs or budget constraints.
In conclusion, both Gorgias and Zendesk offer powerful solutions for streamlining customer support operations. The choice between them ultimately depends on individual business requirements and budget considerations. We encourage you to explore each platform further to decide which aligns best with your organization's goals. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to learn more and sign up for a trial. And remember to subscribe for more easy internet tips. Thanks for watching.